In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your comment history on TikTok. So first, what you want to do is open up TikTok, go to your profile page. Now this is great if you just want to find a video, left a comment and you want to share it to somebody or whatever, this is the way. Click on the top right on these three icons and then click on settings and privacy. From there, you want to scroll until you see activity center. That is the third option under content and display. And then you basically click on comment history. Now, I didn't leave comments on any of the TikTok, so that's why they aren't showing here. But if I go back, I leave a comment, something like this. Then I go back to the profile, hamburger menu or the three line, settings and privacy, activity center and comment history. You can see the comment I left on this video. If you want to delete it, just hold, delete, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.